What's good, YouTube, man? This is your boy Ricardo, and today we're gonna be back into episode 4 of Chainsaw Man. Bro, I cannot wait to watch this episode, bro. I'm super stoked about it. Bro, the last episode was so crazy, especially the fighting scenes, bro. They was so dope. So in this episode, bro, I feel like Power isn't dead. Because like I saw the opening and I saw Denji and Power, they was dancing. So I don't think Power is dead. And I don't think her cat is dead either. But when we see Power, bro, it's gonna be awkward, bro. Because like, bro, she tried to kill Denji. So I wonder like how's that talk gonna go? You know what I mean? Like, what are they gonna say? Like, what's gonna happen? So it's gonna be very, very awkward when they encounter each other. So yeah, so like I said, I'm super stoked for this episode. Hopefully y'all enjoy my reaction. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and without further ado, let's get straight to it. Okay. Ugh. Her ass was like eating the butt, bro. Oh my god. Bro, the way she was eating that. Bruh, Power is badass, like, and she crazy as hell. Her ass running naked in the street, bruh. Bro, she's not dead. I knew it, bro. I knew Power was not dead. Right. Like, why would you save her? But oh. It is the fullest reason, but I should have known that the reason he saved her is because like the boobs or whatever. I forgot about that. He's like, don't mind if I do. What is going on? Bro, what? What now? What is that? Bro, that intro part was crazy. Like, it was crazy. Like, I thought it was like a happy moment, you know what I mean? He get to finally touch some boobs, and out of nowhere, his arm got cut off. Oh. That devil is weird looking. Oh. Then he landed that too. I wonder how he's going to defeat this devil. I feel like somebody's going to like save him or help Denji or something like that. Ooh. This devil really cheap shot at him because she snuck and like cut his arm off. If she would have never did that, Denji would have been killed her. He is determined to touch those boobs. Oh my god.
家族守りたいだの、猫救うだの、ああだのこうだの、みんな偉い夢持ってていいな。じゃあ夢ぶっ殺したらよ。おいでこの公園の上。いいよ。私が食べているんだ。
What the hell? Oh my god. There you go. I see what you're doing. Ooh, slap his ass. What? Cut her hair off. Ooh. Wait, what? Dang. I knew somebody was gonna help him. Bro, that was so hard. Dang, bro, all he did was like this, and then some type of power or something killed that leech devil. Bro, she tried to kill you. Yep. Yep. Because of boobs or.
悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし。
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれば、血の魔人もそれをかばってお前も処分される。俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。お前はバカでガキで道徳がない。俺はお前の先輩だし。どうだ、分かったら返事。ああ、頭に入れといてやな。安心してくれ。あんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえし、俺マジでやっからさ。
No, you're not.
どーんと期待しといてくれ。
He's not serious like him. That's why he left.
無罪だったじゃろ。分かったらさっさとこれを外せ。本当にいいのかな。この魔人ちゃんがいつか人を殺した時は。
あんたです。あくまで魔人でも使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。でも敵は敵、利用するだけです。慣れ合うつもりはないですよ。
I feel like something's gonna happen. Hmm.
どうぞ。
失礼します。
レンジはチェーンソーとなってコウモリの悪魔を駆除後、今度はヒルの悪魔の襲撃を受けましたが、こちらは我々4課が駆除しました。またコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。報告は以上です。
でもデンジ君とパワーちゃん、知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだね。
奴らは信じがたいほどのバカですから。
巡回エリア内からの逸脱は
I like
あ
how
りました。
I like how she's so calm.
失礼します。
I just like that about her.
デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
何も変わってないですよ、俺は。
I feel like something's gonna happen. The dude just chilling. Oh my god.
早川くんちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしい。
Oh my god.
君ならデン
Dang, so it's all three of them now.
をしているからだよ。
He ain't gonna get no sleep.
回せるのも変だしね。ずっとこっちに住まわせるのも変だしね。そう。大丈夫だ
Bruh,
よ
you
ね。
still gotta watch her. You gotta watch Power.
野菜は嫌いじゃ。
Look at that.
野菜をな
Power's like a child. Power's like a 3-year-old.
しか流さんはじゃ。
流せ。くせえんだよ。
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ。くせえんだよ。
Oh my god.
じゃん。
They are so annoyed. I don't blame them.
来て暴れ回りやがってな。そう流せねえのか、悪魔は。あ、おい、クソ悪魔。てめえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ。
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから揉め。
Bro, this is crazy. Is he gonna do it or is he scared?
嬉しいじゃろ。揉め揉め。
She has stipulations.
胸を揉んでいい回数は3揉みじゃ。
Yep, earn 3 squeezes.
ニャーコを助けたのが人も頑張ってくれたので3揉みじゃ。ウヌの頑張りに報いての3揉み。ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
Bruh, control yourself, Denji. Alright, y'all, so that's in episode 4. Bro, this episode was so good and it was so hilarious. One thing I want to talk about is the ending, bro. Like, the ending was so funny, especially the way Denji was acting. Like, this dude could not control himself, bro. He was just going crazy, you know what I mean? And then he was like, bro, she's such an angel. I'm like, bro, like, just chill out, just control yourself. And then, like, Power was really like, I got stipulations, you know what I mean? You gotta do something to touch these boobs, you know what I mean? But, bro, that part was just so hilarious to me. And then another thing I want to talk about is Power living with Denji and the guy with the black hair. Like, bro, it's gonna be super crazy. It's gonna be a lot of arguments and a lot of fights. You know, at first, Denji didn't like it. But now, being that, you know, he's able to touch her boobs or whatever, he's probably gonna love that she's there because he's gonna get to touch them all the time now. I mean, he gotta do something to touch her boobs, but he still get to touch them, you know what I mean? So, hey, he loving it. But the guy with the black hair, he hates Power is living there. bro, like, I don't blame them because, like, Power is so annoying. But I feel like as we get deeper in the series, their relationship is going to change. Yeah, so I really enjoyed this episode. So hopefully y'all enjoy my reaction. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in episode 5.